Welcome to Android Beginners channel.
A palindrome is a word, phrase, number, or any sequence of characters that reads the same forwards and backward. For example, radar, madam, and racecar are palindromes. Characteristics of palindrome. It remains the same when read forwards and backward. Palindromes are case-sensitive, so madam and madam are not the same. Palindromes can contain spaces and special characters, but they must match identically when reversed. Let's create a method that checks if a given string is a palindrome. This method should handle cases, spaces, and special characters. The method isPalindrome takes a string as input and returns true if it's a palindrome and false if it's not. It first removes spaces and converts the string to lowercase for a case-insensitive check. Then, it uses a regular expression to remove special characters. Finally, it compares the original string with its reverse. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel.